After you connect this machine to electricity, press the button Start. After press the button Start, you will see this screen. This is LCD operation screen. For you need to press English version. This is the English version of a packing machine. Because this machine is a multiple quantity packing machine, we can set the packing quantities. Press the button Packing Parameter. This is the packing parameter page. You can see that the first one is for packing length. Packing length means that the packing film length setting. And the second one is for each packing quantity setting. Currently, it is 70 pieces per bag. If we wish to change the quantity, press the button. For example, I change into 90 and input. Now because our final packing quantity is 70, so I input 70 and press input. So the setting of packing quantity is finished. This is the place we connect to air compressor. So this is a switch. This means in working status. We wish to further explain you about each button function. The first button is cutter. Cutter is responsible for cutting each bags and to make a separate bags. And the second button is jog. Jog means that I manually press the button. The machine, will move forward the packing plastic film. Okay, I can press means will move. If I don't press means will stop. It is manually control the feeding. And this is for whole machine start. This is for whole machine stop. This is called cycle. Cycle means that after finish one piece of bag packing, it is called one cycle. I can press this button. You can see I press the button cycle and until one bag position, it finishes the cutting. So it is called one cycle. Usually this button we don't use. And the tightness is for the plastic film installation purpose. If you wish to install the plastic film, you need to let the distance of the roller more. So you need to the loose position. In working position, it is tightness position. After setting, usually no need to change. It is each button function. So we are going to start this machine. Okay, because we have changed the length of stick. The previous barbecue stick sample, we will remove it. So we press the button jog to let the machine moving. This button is for this function, OK？ 就是人工操作吧，对吧？手动操作。然后把气放掉。气放掉，这个东西。OK, we release the air.
你这个长度变过来，那么就这个东西位置要移过来。
Okay, because the previous length we use is 25 and now we set into 30. So we also adjust the length here, distance here. Okay, now this time we are going to test a 3mm diameter and a length 30 cm. This is the operation screen. We press Chinese version, okay? This is for setting the parameter of packing. You can see that the packing length we set is 450 and each bag quantity is 70 pieces, okay? 70 pieces. Okay, the setting is done. Now we are going to start. Now we wish to start this machine. Press the button Start. Okay, now the material not enough. 我要在一个合适的时候停下来。
素培勾勒出情话，笔锋浓转淡，瓶身描绘的牡丹，一如你初妆，冉冉檀香透过窗，心事我了然，宣纸上走笔至此各一半，有色渲染仕女图，韵味被私藏，而你嫣然的一笑如含苞待放，你的美一缕飘散，去到我去不了